Hey everybody, it's Mike. I'm coming to you live today from Roberts Crossing, a brand new development that's being built by Richmond American Homes. There are only 16 homes remaining. They are all going to be quick move-in style. As you can see down the street, they've kind of already pre-built the homes and selected a lot of the options. There are still some options that are remaining too, but we're going to take a walk in. They're also offering some very special financing. You'll see on the sign over here, rates as low as 5.5%, and that would be for 30-year fixed rates, not just a temporary buy down. So this is the model home we're going to walk in today and take a peek and see all the cool stuff that they have in here and how it's laid out and all right now. You can see this one has dual zone heat and air in it, so 2 air conditioning units. And I actually own a Richmond American house myself, and you'll see the garage here. This is a 2-car garage, I believe, but if you look further down the street down here, you'll see this one is actually going to be a 3-car garage. So they have 2 and 3-car garages available in this community here. It's pretty awesome. So we'll come take a quick peek inside the model home. We're going to come through the front door here. I think they all have these keyless entries here. So we come into the front door and it just hits you, the new home smell every time. Come in here, you got a nice open foyer with a kind of side staircase, which is nice. And you got tall ceilings down here. These are huge, I think 8-foot doors maybe. And then you have, so right when you come in, you got like your own home office area here. Could be a formal living room if you want to use it as that, but most people don't use that anymore. Looks like you have some lighted doors there as well. And this is located in an excellent school district, highly rated Bel Air schools, right in the heart of Bel Air. Also, you'll see, so this is the family room here, and you'll see how nice that is. Take a peek around. And then we got the kitchen in here. Look at this kitchen, it's just magnificent. Oh, wow. All the molding on top of the cabinets. A huge breakfast bar in here. Huge breakfast bar. And then it has the gourmet double ovens with the 5-burner cooktop. Gas. Hood vent. Man, this is a nice kitchen. And then all these homes come with a sunroom extension on the back, as well as finished basements that they're finishing the whole basement. And you can see these lots are really nice back here too, because you know this one's on the end, so it's closer to the street, and you got these cars, but it's still set back a little bit. But you got this little porch here, and it backs to these trees. Man, these lots are really nice lots, because they're very nice and private. And you can see this was sodded. I'm not sure if all the lots are going to be sodded, but you can take a quick peek down the side here and see, you know, the trees pretty much kind of go all the way down. So they're nice private lots back into trees. And just take a look at how big this kitchen is. It is just fantastic, isn't it? So you have, let's see, they have 1, 2, 3, 4 chairs. You could probably fit 5, maybe even 6 chairs around the breakfast island the way they have it. And then you got table space over here in your sunroom edition here. And then you got your huge family room over here, which is awesome. So you kind of have everything you need right here. And then back further in this area is going to be the garage, which is now finished as a sales center. So we have people in here that are working. And then we have the Pantry. Look how big this pantry is. My Lord, this is huge. So you have a pantry, and then you also have your coat closets, kind of for your mudroom area here. Because remember, you're going to be coming in your garage, even though right now that's the sales center. And then we'll come back this way and head upstairs. See what we got that we're looking at upstairs. Half bath too, in case you missed that. We got a half bath in here. Gorgeous floors. Nice fixtures. Nice fixtures. Nice fixtures. And we got the 9-foot ceilings in here as well. So we'll come back through here and take a peek upstairs. Box hardwood steps, extra wide, making it easier to move furniture up and down. And then we got a nice loft area up here. These are really starting to get popular again in new construction. Starting to see these in most of the homes now, the loft upstairs, because it's a nice place, you know, if you have your kids downstairs and they're watching TV, maybe you want to come upstairs and be away from them later on at night. Or vice versa. Kids want to come up here and make this into like a work study kind of area for school. And you can put some desks up here and encourage, you know, no computers and TVs in your rooms. That's what we do in my house. So, see the room sizes. So this is one of the bedrooms. Very nice size. Very nice size. Get a good feel for the bedroom size here. And then around the corner, we have a hall bath here. Hall bath. Nice fixtures. And this has a single sink. I wonder if there's an option to do a double sink, maybe, right? And then we have another bedroom over here in this room. And then this bedroom is a nice size as well. So this will be like the third bedroom, I guess. This one has a walk-in closet. So this has a pretty big walk-in closet here that kind of goes around. And then you'll see, again, the size of the room. It's a nice size room. It really is. And then we'll come down this way. Go past the loft area. And then back here, we have a third level upstairs laundry room where you got your washer dryer hookups and your laundry tub and sink. Nice size. Very nice to have this on the upper level, the third level of the home. And you can see the hardware on the door. Very nice. This is going to be your second floor furnace unit up here. And then we come back in here. You know, they all got these smart little thermostats or alarms and whatever the system is. You'll have to talk to the sales reps about that. But it's a nice owner's suite in here. And then, wow, look at this. So this is the master bath. Huge bathroom. Absolutely huge. And then wait till you see this shower. Wait till you see this shower. Look at this. I'm actually going to go in here. That's how big this is. Look how big this shower is. Wow. Got your rain shower. And then you got your big shower. Man, I almost want to take a shower just standing in here. But look at that. Look at this big, huge area over here. Look at this. And then look how big this is. And you have a seat. It's like somebody can wait to take a shower while the other one's showering, you know? It's kind of nice. And then we'll come down this way. Got your seamless glass door. And then we come down this way. We got your private toilet area with a door. And then a huge walk-in closet in here in the master as well. Richmond usually gives a lot of closet space. I know I actually own a Richmond American home myself. And here's a linen closet. And we have a tremendous amount of closet space in my house that I own. Let me see what else I missed. So 16 homes remaining, 3 different floor plans offered. This one has the 3 bedrooms upstairs with a big loft area. And then the 4th would be down in the lower level. Special financing we talked about, highly rated Bel Air schools, 2 and 3 car garages, and like I said, they come with finished basements, so we're going to head down there next, see what the basement looks like. We saw the sunroom extension already. And while I got you here, agents, they are paying commission on this as well. If you bring buyers in here, they're paying a 2% commission on this. Now that is obviously subject to change, but right now they're paying 2%. Look at this. Look how nice this is. And then we're going to head down to the basement now. And again, you got these extra tall doors. Really tall doors. It's kind of nice. All right, so let's head downstairs, see what we got. Going into the basement. Let's see how they finish these basements. How they do the floor plan. All right, so we come down to the basement. And then we got 9-foot ceilings down here as well, which is very nice for extra head space or those golf simulators that people like to put in, swinging your golf clubs. It's nicer to have a 9-foot ceiling instead of an 8-foot ceiling, you know. So this is your downstairs rec area here. There is a door to get out with steps out to the side. That's going to be underneath of the sunroom extension. So not only do you get the sunroom, you also get the basement extension bump out as well. And then when we come back this way, this is just going to be some storage under the stairs. So that's just some storage. And then we come back here and we actually have another full bath. So that's going to be another full bath. So this home comes with 3 full baths, 2 upstairs, 1 in the basement, and then a half bath on the main. And then we come back down this way, and there's the other bedroom here. And this is a true bedroom. It has your egress window for walkout. And then here is the basement that you can see with the bed. Nice size down here. And then this has a walk-in closet as well down here, which they're storing some extra artwork in. So you can see these homes really have a lot, and they are finishing every inch of these homes for you, so you don't have to worry about doing anything when you move in. Now there are a couple that are going to be done really soon. I think the earliest is either July or August settlements to move in. So you can get in here quickly. And obviously, I believe they are also taking home sale contingencies. I'm not sure. I have to ask them about that. But you can see this is just the unfinished section where your utilities are and for extra storage for the Christmas trees and all that stuff. And I guess this is your hot water heater too. It's a tankless system, keeps your water at, like, I think that's at 120 here. so it keeps your water nice and hot. And these are supposed to be a lot more efficient than a regular water heater and last longer. Here's your sprinkler system, your main water shut off, and then just some extra storage down here, your radon system, and your pipes in there too. So we'll leave that door open. But you can get a good idea what these homes have by seeing what we looked at in the tour. If you'd like to kind of see these homes in person, all you have to do is call me and I will put you in touch with the sales reps at Richmond American who are available 7 days a week to be able to bring you in these homes. They have 2 sales professionals here and they both rotate days off, so somebody is always here in the model ready to show it. They will work around your schedule too. If you work weird hours and have to do a different kind of a showing, they can probably either come in a little early or stay a little late if they had to. They'll do what they have to do to help out. So I hope you enjoyed the tour, and if you have any questions or like to see it in person, like I said, just contact me and I'll put you in touch with the sales reps and you can come out here and make one of these homes your own. But they are just absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. All right, take care.